Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Infiniti FX35 transmission fluid. It's important to note that many FX35 models, especially newer ones, do not have a traditional dipstick for owners to check. For these vehicles, a professional mechanic with specialized tools is usually required. However, some older FX35 models do have a dipstick and will cover that process. If your FX35 has a dipstick, first ensure the engine is at normal operating temperature, typically after about 15 minutes of driving. Park your vehicle on a level surface with the engine still running. Locate the transmission fluid dipstick, which is often found towards the back of the engine bay and may be secured by a 10mm bolt. For many Infiniti FX35 models, particularly those without a dipstick, checking the transmission fluid is a more complex task. The fluid level is typically assessed through an overflow plug located on the bottom of the transmission. This procedure often requires lifting the vehicle, maintaining a specific fluid temperature, and using specialized diagnostic equipment. Therefore, professional service is recommended. Regardless of how you access it, the condition of your transmission fluid is key. Healthy fluid should appear translucent and reddish. If it looks dark, cloudy, or smells burnt, it may indicate a problem or that a fluid change is needed. If the level is low, ensure you add the specific type of transmission fluid recommended for your Infiniti FX35.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.